What is all about web testing? If you attend any interviews which are related to website testing or e-commerce testing, then you will be definitely getting this question. What is web testing? Web testing is nothing but it is a process. It is used to test or validate the web application. Web testing is a critical testing. It is a critical testing to catch the issues before we are releasing the application into production, because we should catch as many defects possible before we are placing this web application into a production. So in web testing, normally we do very straightforward, which is a functional testing. Basically, we will be testing what are the functionalities of a given website. So based on those requirements, we will be testing against that web application related to functional perspective. Then the second is the security aspect. So we will be testing on all the security aspects, and we will be testing all the security breaches to validate any security breaches are there, any security vulnerability is there. We will be covering in detail all the aspects, and also we'll be testing usability perspective. Usability could be end user experience, usability could be UI element, usability could be look and feel of the application. All these aspects we will be covering as part of the usability testing. The third type of test cases which we execute here is accessibility testing. So accessibility testing is a kind of specialized testing where we will be testing for the people who are not able to access the application. Certain people could be blind, or certain people can be handicapped and they're not able to access the application via hands, or they're not able to see the application via eyes. So for that kind of people also, we will be testing different kind of accessibility testing just to ensure that that web application really in compliance with the accessibility testing guidelines. Visual, look and feel, all those tests also will be performed as part of the visual testing. The last testing which we normally do is performance testing. The performance could be your load testing, stress testing, different kinds of performance testing which we run against the web application to see whether your application can really breathe when we put a lot of stress, when we put a lot of load. Whatever the different types of testing which we do as part of this, we call it as a web testing.